All right, well, it was a winter wonderland ending to 2019. Feels like a long time
No
ago.
kidding.
October was the snowiest month of the whole year.
Yeah, things have pretty much quieted down the past few weeks, but with winter officially here now, that can change at any time.
Meteorologist Alan Rose joining us now with more on what could be heading our way this winter.
Well, Rob and Elizabeth, it's really been a while since our last measurable snowfall. That occurred back on December 16th, and that was more than 3 weeks ago. Since then, the snow machine over southern Colorado, well, it's been pretty much shut down. Only 7 days into 2020, and there has been no snow reported in both the Springs and Pueblo. And this puts us behind just a bit for January with the snow deficit of around 1.5 inches in both cities. Average snowfall for the month varies across southern Colorado from about 5.5 inches for the Springs to up to around 6.5 inches in Pueblo. Now moving into February, average snowfall amounts drop in both locations and then they rise back up in March, which climatologically is the snowiest month for the Springs. As it turns out, Pueblo's snowiest month is in January right now. For a look ahead into winter, let's dive into some mapping from NOAA's Climate Prediction Center. Now through March, a wetter than average winter is forecasted for the northern tier of the country, with parts of northern Colorado favored to see above average snowfall as well. Now here in southern Colorado, we fall in that average category, and that means we have a better chance of seeing more typical winter conditions here in the southern half of the state. Temperature-wise, there's a high probability of warmer than average temperatures for almost the entire southern half of the country. Again, Colorado appears to be the dividing line between average winter temps and above average temperatures. Now, these winter outlooks are by no means an exact forecast. Keep that in mind. But instead, it's an overall indicator of future conditions relative to the norm. What it could mean for us is fewer cold snaps, which would be nice, and less snowfall this year compared to last year. Always watching out for you, southern Colorado. Meteorologist Alan Rose, News 5, and we're back with more News 5 after the break.